Didn't even get the kill.
I feel bad, man.
No one escapes my sight. No one.
See that flick?
Yeah,
No, I didn't actually.
I'm talking to you then, was I? How could
I
I,
didn't see it.
what I've been
But
talking to you?
I didn't see it though.
Don't care.
I didn't see it.
I don't care then.
Yeah. That's what
Yeah.
Are you two done?
Obviously we're done, fam. We ain't even saying nothing anymore. You stupid, fam. Do you like situation awareness, huh?
Last round in the half.
Spend everything. We keep nothing.
Spend everything.
I'm kind of feeling myself right now. Y'all better keep up.
That's so random. I'm feeling myself right now.
Careful now.
How's that work then?
Where did that guy go? Where did his head go? I want to know.
Kidding me.
Eagle-eyed.
Oh, wait. Does it go away in time soon or do you need to break it?
No, you're gonna have to break it, man.
Oh.
Mate. Did you just leave?
Yo, you know Fruity Mentos?
3D Mentos?
Fruity. Where you live?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I know them.
Them ones are the most disgusting ones.
Facts.
Why is it that Fruity Mento packs seem to always be only full of lemon ones?
Don't know, can't hear you from my washing machine.
I'm here.
Yo, yeah, what's up?
Do you know? I was gonna say, do you know what the worst part is? I'm struggling that much for content, and that's going in a video.
You're gonna have to put her through Audacity to get rid of the washing machine.
I don't give a shit. I'll just put the bit of you doing an impression of a washing machine over it.
Fam, when's this washing machine gonna shut up? You're gonna shut up, man. And there's going.
I know, because every time you speak, I can hear it.
That's how it be going.
Evan,
Hmm?
you want to hear some Fruity Mentos?
Go on then. Oh, I hate it. I hate it so much. Oh. I just got followed by an Instagram account, and the name is smiley face. I love big banana waiting for you. Heart eyes. Do you think it's real?
I think that's Adam's secret Instagram account.
I'm gonna kill a guy on mid.
You can name it. Cool.
No man, I'm gonna snipe him in his little forehead.
Leo,
Yeah.
when you want to be big.
No man, that's how accurate I am. I hit him, just not in his little forehead.
You don't want me to come here?
Nope.
Yeah, you did. You
Coming
told me to
on.
come here.
Gonna kill you
Yeah.
when you get here.
Do it.
Come here then. I dare you. I dare you. I dare you. I dare you. I dare
You
you.
already know I'm gonna win this fight. Yeah, he knows.
B.
Aw.
Smoking.
Awesome. Short. Come on.
How come it's so accurate when you're shooting me?
I don't know. Maybe because I literally have my barrel down your throat, but yeah, I don't know.
I like it.
Long.
Going CD probably. 83 and 8. That's like 10 damage per hit.
Don't fucking see visual, can you? He's going wham wham and he's gone. He's going zoom wham bang doo wham wham.
Wham wham that one, mate. I want to win.
Oh, no, they're gonna win.
Oh no! God damn. You make me
That's not going in. That can't go in. Oh, I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I've got a business plan here, boys.
what?
I'm gonna censor it in the video and then say find me uncensored good on Twitter. Go follow my Twitter. It's mad like pickle.
Go on. And Twitter it says go follow my YouTube, my main channel to watch this.
Watch the full video.
And there it takes you to Instagram. And there it takes you to Vimeo.
What then? Where's this treasure hunt lead, bro? You've got me invested.
You just need to loads of views on everything.
Oh mate, you're a genius. The final step is my cash app.
No, it's you have to like watch adverts to get.
Oh,
Yeah.
OnlyFans.
No.
Bro, what the fuck?
Wait, did they didn't reinforce any part? Okay, any part.
Brady, what happens to your mic?
It went
Very
far away.
far away.
It went far away.
Imagine I pickle on your IC into it.
Thanks, you bitch. That's right, guys. I stream on Twitch now. Twitch.tv/madladpickle. Come and give me your money.
One enemy remaining.
To a. But what are you trying to do, mate?
Push through here.
Oh! Okay.
I damage just so much.
Last player standing.
I was gonna get a kill.
Maybe it's not. You see where it's gone?
Don't know, mate. Where did it go?
Went over A main.
On target.
Look at him.
Revealing area. One enemy.
Oh my god, Peggle.
No, he was there as well.
Damn it.
No.
That was sick.
What kind of game?
Woohoo!
Sound like Ali, yeah, mate.
Let's go.
Let's go, gamers!
Let's actually go.
All Alia needs to do to sound any better would be to say poggers.
I was about to say that.
Poggers.
Poggers gamers, poggers in the chat, yeah?
Always hit me up and then you're gone again. Leaves are falling, getting colder cause the summer ends. Back in high school you were real, fuck me up and then you do. Why'd you always